So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying and stay positive. So this reading is for the water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So we are going to see about your person current feelings and as well as the your person channel message as well. So let's start the reading now. So guys, if you are looking my channel for the very first time, so please do subscribe. Please give your support. Please give your support because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot. Even your each and every subscription will definitely helps to grow the channel as well. So let's start the reading for my dear fellow water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Oh my god. Okay, there is a lot of energy is flowing. Eight of Swords, yes. There is a lot of energies. Three of Wands and Eight of Swords. King of Cups. Okay, so you guys are in like I don't know, you guys are feeling very much stuck when it comes to your relationship status and everything. I think so a little bit you are be like very much overthinking about with some particular situation when it comes to your relationship. So let's see about your person current feelings as well. Somehow I can see that your person is also be like this kind of an energy. So you are not seeing your person like how they feel and they doesn't know like how you feel. So but when it comes to the relationship, both the person is feeling in the same way. They are feeling very much stuck. I mean you both are feeling very much stuck. You both are have like a lot of emotions, but still you are feeling very much like very much like an heart when it comes to your relationship. I think there are some kind of a distances involved when it comes to your you and your person. So there may be some kind of a chances that you may be you may be losing your sleep in a night time, and as well as you may be have some kind of a feelings towards your person, and you may be worried about your relationship as well, because I can see that there is some kind of a chances you may be there is some kind of a chances that you may try to cry for it in a night time when it comes to think about your person. So these are energies I can see when it comes to the Eight of Swords. So next we can see what are the cards we are getting from your reading. So the first card we get a King of Swords, okay, and next we get the Empress. So next we get the Hermit. So you can see there is a lot of major arcana card. So again the back-to-back major arcana card, the World. Yes, again there is some kind of a strong distances here. So either it could be like a physical distance, or else either it could be like a communication distance. But I can see there is a strong distance where like I think you may be in a different kind of places. And next we get a Page of Pentacles, okay, wow, and next we get a Ace of Wands as well, okay. Again the distance here, again the mountains, again the hardships, I can see that. So right now the condition is be like you doesn't know like how it could be works, you doesn't have any idea like how this things will be get clear or something like that. So overall your person was be in this kind of a segment that yeah, your person have been showed you that they are be very much vulnerable, they are be very much cold, and they are be like very much detached, but I can see that this person will try to open up right now. This person will give you some kind of a clarity, because I have already I think in a previous reading itself I have been said there is some kind of a chances that for the reconciliation from your person, and this person will try to communicate with you. This person will try to like call or text message you or try to meet you in a real life as well. So the same thing I can see when it comes to the Hermit. I can see that this person will try to open up right now. They was be like very much cold and detached in the past, but right now this person is finding the way, because they don't want to be in this way anymore. They are feeling very much dark, because I can see that with the Eight of Swords and the Hermit, again that is a dark energies here. So this is not only your energy, your person is also in this kind of an energy. It is be like very much heavy towards them. So they want to come out from this darkness. They want to come out from this darkness and finding some kind of a light, okay. So overall I can see that this person will try to, again you can see with the Hermit card, again there is some kind of an wands. This person is holding a wands, again we get a wands card as well, like Ace of Wands. So that is the reason here I can see there is some kind of a new beginning, and the reconciliation and as well as a reunion will be possible from when it comes to your person. This person was being like very secretive. This person didn't give you any proper any like proper way of conversation, or else this person didn't give any kind of a proper clarification. So right now I can see there is some kind of a chances that this person, yeah, when it comes to the 8, again this is an August month as well. So I think this person will try to open up, this person will try to speak the truth, and they will try to whatever they have been hold on in this connection from the past 8 months or whatever. So what are the problems you have been faced when it comes to this relationship? I think this person will try to open up right now. Okay, there is some kind of a clarification you will be get from your person, and you will try to understand about your connection very well, because again with the World card and with the Page of Pentacles, I can see that this person will definitely bring some kind of a clarification in this relationship, and they want to offer you some kind of fun solid commitment. So right now I can see again with the wands, something is related to the stick here. Okay, so I don't know, in the past they was not be like stick toward this connection, they are be running away from this connection, they did not give you any kind of a clarity. But right now when I see this Page of Pentacles, and you can see that background is like some kind of an agriculture kind of a land. Okay, so this person wants to bring some kind of a growth here. Okay, things was be like a plain ground, things was be like and completely dark in the past, but right now I can see there is a little bit baby step this person will try to take, and this person will try to open up. This person heart chakra is opening right now, it was being blocked on past, but right now I can see overall there is an action for some kind of a people. Again I can see a reunion and reconciliation, and as well as there is a chances that you will be meet your person in a real life as well, in a 3D level. Okay, and again there is some kind of a rebirth is coming in this connection. Okay, so right now your person will try to offer you some kind of an offers. So again I can see any call or text messages is coming in your way, and this person will try to give you some kind of a gift as well. If at all your birthday is falling on this month, or any kind of if at all their birthday is falling on in this month or whatever it could be, but there is some kind of a chances that this person will try to give you any gift or something. Okay, they are going into some kind of a huge realization, they are going into some kind of a huge transformation period as well. They are missing those memories they have been spent with you. Again with the I can see the Moon card as well here when it comes to this King of Swords. So this person was be like very secretive, this person was not try to open up in the past, but right now this person wants to rebirth in this connection. They want to build this connection from the grounded level. Okay, from the grounded level. I hope you maybe deal with any Gemini, Libra, yard sign like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or else you maybe deal with earth element like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So what I can see, this is your energy for the water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. With the Empress card I can see that you are be like a glowing here, you will be like shine, you will be like a very glowing nature, you have a glowing nature, you will be glow here. Okay, but still there is some kind of an evil eye is there in your back of the side, there is some kind of an evil eye is there. You should need to be you should need to be more careful. Okay, when it comes to communicating with anybody, or else when you try to reveal some of your secret to anybody, you should need to this is coming as an extra message here. So whatever, even though it is your friend or whoever it could be, you should need to I mean you should need to be keep a secret over here. Okay, you shouldn't be maintain some kind of a secret over here, because there is some kind of a chances that even though it is be like your close circle, but still there is be like evil eye kind of a concept is here. Okay, these people will try to drag your things down. Okay, so whatever your next move, whatever your next plan when it comes to your life, when it comes to your career life or whatever it could be, try to be like very stable and grounded and sticky towards the thing which you want to be achieve in your life, and at the same time don't try to be open up to anybody about your secrets, about your plans or something like that. This is coming as an extra messages for you for the Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Okay, don't try to reveal any of your secret, don't try to reveal any of your plans to anybody, even though it is a close circle, don't try to be revealed. Okay, it will again these peoples will collapse, these people will try to put you down. Okay, so these are the energies I can see. Let's see about your person feelings as well for the water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Okay, I'm just getting a lot of cards. There is so much I want to say to you what I've been said. So this person will definitely reveal. I can with the King of Swords, again what I've been said with the King of Swords and with the Page of Pentacle, I have been said that this person will try to open up. This person wants to text, this person wants to call. In the past they was not be like that much courage enough, but right now they are be the courage enough. They are putting some kind of a step. They are coming out from the darkness. They are coming out from that hermit kind of a mode. Okay, so it is again the confirmation. Okay, so next we can see So we both know I am not the one for you. So if this is their thought in the past, that they are feeling that they maybe felt that you are like your pathway is different and their pathway is different, but right now they know that this pathway could be right for them. So that's the reason they are coming back in your life. I lost myself for a little while, what I have been said. So they was in a hermit mode. Again, it is a beautiful confirmation that they was in a hermit mode on the past, but right now they are coming out from this thing. They are coming out from this darkness. They are trying to coming out from those dark shades. Okay. And next we get the card like I regret lying to you again. So your person was not be like true towards you on the past. They have been hold on their emotion. They didn't they was been like very much vulnerable. They are also be like very much stuck because they are not being open up. Right now I can see that this person will try to open up. I hide who I really am from you. Again, this is a beautiful confirmation that this person was not be like open up in the past. They have been put you in some kind of an hold on situations, or they may try to like hurt you. Okay, on the next card we get my life is not as together as it seems. Again, so this person is feeling that there is a little bit of a complication has been happened. Okay, because I think there is a distance involvement. It could be like a career it could be like again it's a physical distance, or it could be like a communication distance. Okay, so that's the thing here. The distance has been stopped this person on the past, but right now I can see there is some kind of a changes, that is some kind of a movement is happening here. So this person will try to come, and this person will try to open up. Again, it is a beautiful confirmation with the Ace of Wands. Again, I have said you that there is a passion here, there is an passion, there is an action, there is some kind of a strong stable grounded connections will be like grow in this connection. Okay, so these are the energies I can see for my water element, for my fellow water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So guys, I hope it could be resonated with you. It have been give you some kind of a clarity. So if at all you like my reading, if at all it is resonated with you, please do like, share and subscribe. Please do like, share and subscribe. If at all you're looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel, guys. I hope you also be a part of this journey. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please do like, share and subscribe, because your each and every subscription definitely motivates me a lot. It definitely helps to grow this channel as well. And as well as if at all your if at all your friends and families may love this tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. And as well as guys, you need, if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that. So please do subscribe. Again, I just want to say that please do subscribe, because your each and every subscription definitely motivates me a lot. It will definitely help to grow the channel as well, guys. So please give your support, stay tuned for the next reading. So I will definitely bring some kind of a new beautiful topics for you, very interesting and new topics for you. So see you guys in the next video. Love you all, take care, bye bye water element, bye bye.